One of the most timeless principles for success is the power of the mastermind. So how does it work and how do I make it happen? Stay tuned. Hello again, everyone. I'm Eli's dad with Project Eli, where we educate, we lead, and we inspire. And we are going over the 13 principles of success from the best-selling book Think and Grow Rich, authored by Napoleon Hill, the best-selling personal development book of all times, the greatest of all times. And I want to give a shout out, give a disclaimer and a shout out. Disclaimer: this is not meant to replace you reading the book. This is meant as an enhancement. So read the book. I suggest you read the chapter, listen to the video, read the chapter again. You will get an incredible amount of information that way, and the more you do it, the more information you're going to get. My shout out once again is to Earl Nightingale, who made a video called Condensed Think and Grow Rich, from which I am stealing several bits of verbiage as well as adding my own 2 cents. So let's get to it. The 9th principle of Think and Grow Rich is the power of the mastermind. It is in this section that Napoleon Hill describes the importance of forming a group of individuals sympathetic to your desire. Now that may be individuals with similar plans, sort of a tribe. Let me give you an example. What comes to mind with me personally was when I first started coaching out in California, and I was an assistant varsity coach. After each game, and we would have 2 games a week, all of the coaches from the league would meet at this particular watering hole for a beer. And during this meeting that would last a couple of hours after the game, so the games would end like, I don't know, 9:30, whatever, and we'd get to this particular bar around 10 o'clock, and all the coaches would come in and they'd talk about their games, and they would tell stories, and they would go over different aspects of basketball. Now certainly we all had different objectives, which was for our team to be the one that was the best team. However, we all had the same sympathetic objective, which was to make the kids better basketball players and to make our teams better. So even people that are, you know, the competitors of yours, when you form an organization, can be a mastermind group. And I found this, I learned so much from sitting there and listening to the stories of these coaches that had been coaching for 20 and 25 years. It was just an amazing education. Now, a mastermind group can be made up of 2 or more individuals. No 2 minds ever come together without creating a third invisible, intangible force which may be likened to a third mind. I want to explain that. This is a critical feature of the book Think and Grow Rich. Now, common sense tells us that desire, persistence, planning, specialized knowledge, and or skill are critical elements to success. The beauty of Think and Grow Rich is the revelation of success factors that don't just jump out at you. The importance of autosuggestion is one element, which we've gone over already. The mastermind principle, which we're going to go over right now, is another one, as are the 6th sense and the subconscious mind, which we'll speak about in detail on future videos in this series. The point is, here's some information that you wouldn't have thought of on your own, that when you think about it and you say, aha, that really works, this is something, these are key ingredients in your recipe for success. Now, you may have noticed many times that by discussing something with another individual, that you suddenly get good ideas as a result of this particular association. Ideas you would not have gotten without that association. The same thing happens to the other person or other people that are in your group. A lot of good ideas have been born in individual minds as a result of having met in committee. Associating with your mastermind group is not meant as a means of letting others do your thinking for you. Far from it. It's to stimulate your own thinking through the association of other minds. No one knows everything. The more sympathetic minds you get together, and by sympathetic I mean working for a common purpose, the more related information is going to be available, and great ideas are a combination of related information. Let me repeat that. Great ideas are a combination of related information. So, pick the member or members of your mastermind group with care. Make sure that they are people that you respect and are hardworking and conscientious. When you do that, you know what you're going to find? You're going to find that reaching your goal is a lot more fun, and that you'll reach your goals that much sooner. Now, the next time that we get together, we're going to be talking about the principle of, for lack of a better way to say it on this channel, enthusiasm. And because we're never going to end a meeting on a philosophical note, get out there, form your mastermind group, and take charge! I'm Eli's dad.